Welcome back to Patricia Delights, and today we will be frying tilapia. So here are the ingredients. We have 2 cups of flour. We have 2 1/4 teaspoons of seasoned salt. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We have 3/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and we have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. So we're going to add this to our flour mix, and we're going to mix this together. Okay. Now we're going to start our wet mixture. Our wet mixture is a cup of heavy cream, a 1/2 cup of water, we have 2 eggs, and we have a 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce. Okay, we're going to mix all this together. Then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, we got the oil going. It's nice and hot. Now we're getting ready to coat the fish and start frying. First we're going to dip it into our wet mixture, and then into our flour. Now we're going to start frying. And don't overcrowd the pot. Okay, our fish is done, and it looks absolutely amazing. Nice and crispy. Now we're going to taste it. Flaky, juicy. Very good, very tender. A lot of flavor. If you try this recipe, you're going to love it. So, thank you for joining me on Patricia Delights, and please subscribe, like if you like the video, and leave a comment if you make it. Let me know how you like it, and I will see you next time on Patricia Delights. Bye.